guys, Connor here, and welcome to another Kingdom Let's Build video. And I've done a little bit of stuff off camera. We have a little fountain here, nice little fountain. That was the person you saw in the tour. And then you see we have these towers, and then here you have this big part in the middle, and we have this long tower there, and like just a tower there. So yeah, there's quite a few things to it. You know, we have this, and then there's a ladder here, you know, so you don't just fall and hurt yourself. We'll go over that in a minute. So we'll, you know, just go up here, and right here are the spots you like fire your arrows. You don't expect like just a huge platform, or like that'd be easy if, you know, you're in a different mode. And also, yeah, now the big tower, right here, yeah, there's a door right there where I just was. You know, just go up, and then you have stuff here, and then right here you're gonna have this nice ladder here, and you know, just fire even higher. Not much bad. Also, instead of going up that, you could go up this stairs, go higher than that, and then you come up here, and there's a bed here. I didn't know that. And here's some arrows and, you know, bookshelf. Huh. I did not know that. Really. I didn't know where I knew she put that somewhere, but I didn't know she put it there. Yeah, so, and I also did some stuff inside like you would have expected. I don't know if I built the throne on the camera, but this is the, you know, throne made of diamonds. It's awesome! Alright. Now, about the paintings, I was thinking I might change it so it's like kind of the same painting, but like a perfect one, I'd say. Oh, I just broke a one, that'd be good. No. Oh, where is it? No, it's not that. No. Why do I keep getting that one? I don't want it. No. Okay, I'm just gonna keep those there. Yeah, and about the rooms, I have some glowstone and some glass on top. This is the furnace room and everything. Here are some, like, believe it or not, you can use jukeboxes, crafting tables, and chests to harvest stuff. Oh, there's still some redstone in there, lapis. Huh. What? Who put, oh, that's Arinor. What? Okay. Yeah, so I'll like just prove it. So that's 1, 2, 3, what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'll just grab 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll prove it. Okay. Put that there. Yeah, and it like just disappears. What the heck? Oh, there's nothing in there. No wonder there was just 3. Oh, no. Oh, whatever. Okay, and then I'll use the jukebox. Okay, we got our iron ingot. We got our redstone. We got our lapis. And I'll just grab some diamond ore, and I'll show you with the crafting table. You know, it works. Come on. Go. Alright, if you have not seen the build Kingdom Let's Build Part 1 or 2, I think it'd be okay if you go back to my channel and, you know, go back. What happened to the button here? Okay. Okay, yeah, so this is, and there's also another thing, the crafting room. It's kind of dark. I'm just gonna put some glowstone right there. And then we have, really just some nice area. Oh right, I forgot. I don't hang glowstone. Yeah, right. I don't hang glowstone. Forgot about that. Now I need to go in here, break that. There. Can provide some nice light. I know, I use some glowstone here, but what do you expect? I just break all this and then put torches that don't even touch to the door. So, I don't do that. So, today, we're probably just going to be building the enchantment room and some other rooms. What the heck? What the heck is happening? My head is in a fence. Really. I am alone today. My friend has some homework to do. So, yeah, I'm just here. The other person is at work. I know, it's an adult. Alright. So, before I get onto the enchantment room, I am going to show you that I have put some fences around and stuff. And for some reason, some animals have multiplied. Totally weird. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab some wheat. Alright, we'll see what their act is. Okay, I'm going to be in the middle. Boom! Come on, guys. Hey, who wants some wheat? Huh? Who wants wheat? Huh? Does everyone want wheat? Huh? Okay, we're going to make some lovey-dovey in here. Let's have some lovey-doveys. Have some nice lovey-doveys. It's nice to have some lovey-doveys. Okay. Okay, let's get you and you. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's all the babies we need. Okay, where's your baby? What the heck? Oh, okay. Why do you have horns? Oh, they have horns too. Well, that was a bad idea. Now they're all just going to be chewing on the dirt, those sheep. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to the castle over here. Yeah. Alright. What's this? What's this? Oh yeah, the chest room. Isn't it? Isn't this the chest room? Oh yeah. This is the chest room. Okay. What the? Yeah. Wait, what? This is the crafting room? Oh no, this is the bedroom. Oh yeah, there used to be a wall here. It's a small crafting room, okay. Right, I made the crafting room. That's the furnace room. This was the dungeon. Okay, this is the brewing, I think. This is the brewing. There's some nice potions in here. Slime ball. Heck. Yeah, I'm just gonna put on some swiftness. Alright. So, I'm going to make brewing, the chest room, and the enchantment room that I mentioned last time. Oh, wait. I'll show you what swiftness kind of does. If you don't know what swiftness means, this is obviously what it means. Okay? I'm not flying. Look at me. Look how fast I'm running. I'm running super fast. Even flying. Boom! Look at that. Look at that speed. Look at me go. I'm the world's greatest runner. How about that for a lifetime? Ah! Woohoo! Maybe some other videos we might have some music on. We might have some little music on this video, but not much. Okay. I should stop explaining and start getting to work. That's what this video is all about. I wasted just like 11 minutes and 17 seconds. Huh. Alright. Let's get started. Let's grab our stone brick and the door. Okay, let's see. No, not there. What are we building? Oh yeah, right. We're building the enchantment room. This room has to be big. Wait, before I do this, I'm going to grab a bookshelf and an enchantment table. If you want higher enchantments, then watch what I do. I can show you how to get higher enchantments. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so I'm going to put the enchantment table there. So I don't want it touching the corner. So I'll put it here to there, here. Yeah, so I think I'll just make the wall shorter so it comes to there. So I'll leave that empty, break all these, and that there, and then we just pull it across. And why am I leaving a space here? Because you'll find out. Alright, put the enchantment table, then I'll put some bookshelves on top. To make a wall, but if you want to, if you think that, if you put it over top, you won't get higher enchantments if you just put it on top. Really, you only get enchantments if you, put it on the sides and stuff. It really only works if it's, 3 blocks high. That's how you really get your enchantments. It can't be, on the corner or something. It can't, touch the enchantment table at all. And I'll show you with a normal enchantment table what you'd get. So I'll just run, put an enchantment table all the way there. Okay, and I'll get 2 diamond swords.
Just tidying up there.
Alright. Yeah, so I'll show you what it does here. 7, knock back 1. Okay, now I'm going to go over here and enchant this. 30. What did I get? Bane of Arthropods, looting 2, and the Bane of Arthropods is 4 or 5. Looting 2, knockback 2, and fire aspect 2. How good is that? And let's test these babies out. Okay, I'm going to grab some cows in here. So I have some cow volunteers. Cow volunteer 1 and cow volunteer 2. Okay, let's see what this does. Boom, 1. Get back here. Get back here. And 2. I got all the raw stuff. All the raw stuff. All the raw stuff. Okay, come here. Come here. Oh no, don't go in there. Okay, what's this? Okay, let's go to this. Boom, you're on fire, cow. Yeah, you're on fire. Give me steak. Yes, that beautiful steak. Oh yes, steak. I want to turn it to survival and eat this yummy steak. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, that's why. And yeah. I think the door should be right here. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. Yeah, so really just building the castle. It's kind of, I just like building things. The TNT world, yeah, that's really I like building and having fun with my friend. What's that doing there? Okay, now I need a door that I was gonna get before. Hey, that kind of rhymes. No, wrong way. All doors should be facing the outside like that. Okay, that's good. Come in here and grab my glowstone and glass. And that's there, and that there. So we have some nice light. Now I need to grab some torches. Okay, so it seems like it's done. So all I need is like 2 chests at the back here, like one here and one there, below the torch. Let's see here. Yeah, like just below the torch. So what I'm gonna do now is get the stuff you need to, you know, enchant stuff, really. So the enchantment bottles are gonna be on this side. The other side, I was kind of thinking I'd put like swords and stuff to enchant. Yeah, we should. Okay, where is it? Alright. This. Just have some nice bottles of enchanting. Yeah, this map is not going to be like online where you can buy it, but maybe on another profile I'll do that. I'll build another castle. I'll put the same things in it and stuff, but you know, the shape and where the stuff goes is going to be different. So that's how it's finished. I'm just gonna go check if it's nighttime. I don't like to stay up all night. Yeah, it's probably nighttime. Okay. I don't know why I built my bedroom so far away from my throne. Okay, my head is in the fence again. Why does this keep happening? There's a fence in my head. Oh my god. It's creeping me out. I'm just gonna grab I'll put that there. And that there. Oh, what's this? Alright, so this is gonna be the end of this video today. Well, not today, but for right now. So this is gonna be the end of the video. So, goodbye.